Civil Service Exam Reviewer. General Information. Philippine Constitution.
Which of the following is a constitutional commission? A. Commission of Human Rights. B. Philippine Commission on Good Government. C. Civil Service Commission. D. Commission on Natural Resources. The correct answer is letter C, Civil Service Commission. What branch of government has the sole right to initiate all cases of impeachment? A. Senate. B. Commission of Election. C. House of Representative. D. Judiciary. The correct answer is letter C, House of Representatives. Which of the following is not removable from office by impeachment? A. Member of the Supreme Court. B. Member of the Constitutional Commissions. C. The Ombudsman. D. Senators. The correct answer is letter D, Senators. The national language of the Philippines is A. Filipino, B. English and Filipino, C. Tagalog, D. Filipino. The correct answer is letter D, Filipino. Who may propose any amendment to or revision of the Constitution? A. Congress or a constitutional convention. B. Congress and a constitutional convention. C. Judiciary and Congress. D. Judiciary and Constitutional Convention. The correct answer is letter A, Congress or a constitutional convention.
Did you get them all right?